Hey guys, my name is Danielle. You can call me Dani, and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a TJMaxx and Marshalls haul. So grab your snack, grab your drink. I got mine, got some green tea. And let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so I have everything in this TJMaxx bag. They're just kind of like all jumbled together, so I'll just let you know like where I got what from. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first things are these two mask sets. These are from Rae Dunn. They are black. This one says blessed and faith on it, and then this one says love and smile. And they were both $10 from Marshalls. I got these because at one of my jobs I can only wear a black mask, so I got some more that I was okay with getting makeup on and stuff like that, like getting even more makeup on. So I got these ones. They are Rae Dunn, but you know, I don't really care. And they're cute. Now the next thing is this hanger set. This was $7.50 and it's from TJMaxx. It comes with 25 hangers, but one of them is broken, so it comes with 24. That's probably why it's on sale, but I didn't really care. I actually might return this because I actually bought a big bundle of hangers just like these from a thrift store, and it came with 15 of them for only like $1.50, which was insane. But I think I might return these ones because I only needed like a handful of hangers. But now that I actually bought more clothes, I don't know, I might keep them, so I'm not sure yet. But yeah, I did get these ones because they were on sale and I only needed a few, and this was a really good deal. Next are these really cute black gloves. These are from Michael Kors, and I got these from TJMaxx. I got these on yellow tag clearance for only $6, and these usually retails, I can't speak English, for $48. So that is a freaking deal if I do say so myself. And yeah, they're just great black gloves. They have that like little meshing at the tip of the fingers so that you can keep using your phone. But yeah, I thought they were really cute and they look nice and warm, so I got those. Next I got these fake nails from Skinny Dip. Now honestly, I've never heard of Skinny Dip until I started watching Soph Does Life and stuff like that, and she actually has a collab with Skinny Dip, and I was like, oh my gosh, never heard of them. And then I saw these and I was like, oh my gosh, wow, this is actually really cute and cool. They're like this super cute white, and is it iridescent or holographic? I don't know, please don't come after me, I'm not sure with my things. But I got these from Marshalls for $4.99, and yeah, it's really cool, so got those. Then I got these mask sets. These were only $1, and I got 10. It comes with 10 of them. They're disposable, so you can't really reuse them, but that's okay. I got these to put in my car just in case I ever forget my mask. And yeah, and they come with these really cute blue flowers. Here, I'll turn them around so you guys can see them better. It comes with like this really pretty like blue with white flowers, and then multiple blue stripes ones, and it comes with 5 of each of those, so that's really cool to leave in my car in case I ever forget. I got this nail set from Kiss, and I'm making sure these ones, where'd I get? These ones are from Marshalls. These ones were $5.99. These ones are such a cute blue and gold color. It is so pretty. I love these. I think I might put these on tonight or soon. These are so pretty. I love the medium length. Medium length are my favorite because since I'm typing every day, all day on a computer, long nails like make me mess up typing all the time, so medium is like the perfect size for me. I got some more bags. These ones are from TJMaxx. These were a set of 2 for $1 on sale. Can you guess why I got them? It's because they have dogs all over them, and I love my dogs, so I got these ones. And you can never have too many reusable bags, honestly guys. I love my reusable bags. I use them all the time. And then next I got these Floss Picks from TJMaxx for only $2. And I got these ones because they were made out of cornstarch, and they are biodegradable and eco-friendly, so I thought that was really cool. It comes with, how many? Does it say, how many does it say? Comes with 50. I knew it said somewhere on there. It comes with 50 of them to like floss and stuff with. So I got those. Then I got another set of nails. These ones are very cute and from a different brand I've never heard of. This is from Tip Beauty. And I got these from Marshalls for $4.99, and they are like this beautiful black color, but like in like different lighting they turn into like this navy, but they're black. It is so pretty. They are long length, but I'll just like file them down, this like no problem, but I just thought they were so pretty. Then I think I just have clothes left. Then from TJMaxx I got this really cute polo shirt that I actually got it from my boyfriend, if you didn't know. What brand is this from? This is from Rainforest. I got this for $3. It is this beautiful blue color. Blue is mine and my boyfriend's favorite color, so he's gonna love this. And if he doesn't, I'm gonna be mad. Then also from TJMaxx, I got this white shirt. It is so pretty. It is a tank shirt, so it's, you know, mostly made for the summer, but it is really pretty. It was only $4 on yellow tag clearance, and it's by the W5. It's so pretty. Can't wait to wear that. And then I got a set of bras, 2 bras, guys, for only $6. 2 bras for $6. That is such a deal. If you're a girl, you definitely know how much of a deal this is. Or if you have boobs and you wear bras, you know, no hate to the guys who do that too, you know how great of a deal this is. And what I love is that one of them comes with padding, one of them doesn't. They're both wireless. If you guys are not wearing wireless bras, you need to start, because wires actually hurt your back more, and they can actually like deform your actual boobs. So wireless is the way to go, because it's more natural and it helps with more back support. So I love that. I got 2 of them, one pink, one blue, for $6. Love it. And yeah, I'm just so excited about that. And then, oh, I got that from TJMaxx, forgot to say. Next from TJMaxx was for $4. I got a pair of these gray jogger sweatpants type things. Wait, did I say gray? I'm so dumb. I meant black. I got a pair of these black gray. I need to stop saying gray. A pair of these black jogger sweats. Okay. And these are size large, and I got these for $4.50. And yeah, they're kind of like see-through, but I mean, I'm gonna be wearing them in the house, so no one cares. Then the last 2 items are Hawkeye Gear. I got this super cute like jersey type shirt that says Hawkeyes. Well, it says Iowa, and then it has the Hawkeye symbol on the front, and then it has the Hawkeyes logo #1 on the back. It was only $3, and it is it's actually really cute. I will admit, it's actually really cute. So I got that one, and then I actually got these matching shorts to go with it, or just like regular shorts in general. And yeah, these ones were $8. Not like the greatest deal, but shorts like these will sell out like that, because they're like really thick material and they feel really nice and they look really cute. So I got these ones, and yeah, those 2 were also from TJMaxx. And yeah, that's the haul, guys. That is everything that I got from TJMaxx and Marshalls, a little mixed in there. Sorry if you got confused. I was too lazy to separate them. But yeah, that's everything, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below so I know. And if you're not already, subscribe to my channel. I post every Friday. Leave a comment down below on what was your favorite thing in this haul. Let me know. My favorite thing? Shoot, I honestly don't know. Probably the bras, honestly. 2 bras for $6. What a deal, guys. You have no idea how awesome that was when I found those. I was like, hey, add to cart. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. So much. And I will see you next Friday.